Friends, welcome to this session of LaTeX for Beginners. Learn to prepare professional looking documents within minutes. I am Rajendra Saure from the Institute of Science, Mumbai. In this session, we will learn the citation process, how to refer to a reference paper or book or any other reference in your article, book, report or any other submission. Now, in this session, we are going to learn demo of citation, how to create a .bib file which is required for citations in LaTeX, then actual citation process, and then we are going to look for different citation styles. Okay. For this, now we will move to our Text Studio. This is my Text Studio, and in Text Studio, I am using this demo article which I prepared. This document class article it is, and this is the article how it looks like. How to typeset a scientific paper is in LaTeX on smartphones. That's the title of this demo article, and it's a generic research paper style. Now, in this, we have to include citations. To include citations, first thing which we are going to do is to include 2 lines of code at the end of your document or where you want your reference list or bibliography list. Here, we have to include that backslash bibliography. That bibliography is there, bibliography, and it asks for .bib file. Here we will name that as ref.bib. You can have any name, but .bib is required. And it shall be in .bib file. Then slash bibliography style is required. And here I am using a style ABBREV. Many different styles are there, but here we are not going to use those. This ref.bib file is not there with us. We have to create that file. The second thing which we plan to learn is to how to get the .bib file. For that, I will go to internet. I will open my browser. In my browser, I will open PubMed. From PubMed, we will export our citations. I will open the PubMed. From PubMed, I will type a keyword rhizobium, then go for advanced, and here I will type my search. This is how to build search. All fields, I want that into title. Then I will add to this, add with and symbiosis, again in title, and I will add that. It got added. I will search, and then the search results are there. 238 results are there. Then I will copy this query. I will not do anything with the results. I will copy this query. I will open a new web page. There I will type TechMed and I will click it. Now it's TechMed exporting PubMed to BibTeX. I will click this result and TechMed site will open. In the query box of TechMed site, I will paste my query. This is rhizobium in title and symbiosis in title. I will query that. Okay. Same 238 results are open. 238 results here. Here also 238 results are there. I will select all. And when I select all, I will export those. Remember these processes. We have designed the query in PubMed. We have copy pasted that query in TechMed. We selected all the references, or you can select the references which you want and then click export. When you export, you will get the exported references at the bottom, and those exported references will look like this. This is just the comment. This is at article because the document being cited is article. This is the ID of that article, PMID 3244. This ID is very important for us because this is used for citation. And then author, title, journal, year and month, all those fields are there. Now we will select all these citations and these all are selected. I will copy this. When we copy this, we will go to Notepad or we can directly go to and then we'll take a new file. I will not use Notepad this time, and we'll paste those in new file. And when we paste those in new file, we'll save that file, save in the folder in which we are working. I'm working in this 7-day LaTeX workshop folder. Therefore, here I will type the name as ref, and here those extensions are there. I will use the extension .bib, and this is essential because your reference file shall be with .bib extension, and I will save it. Now it got saved. Then we will close that, and we will go to document again, and we'll click it to compile. Click the green button for compilation, and it is being compiled. It got compiled. Now we'll try citations, and we hope that our file got linked properly to our document. Here in introduction, at the end of introduction, I will start typing. Here I am adding citation. Okay. And there I will use this command /cite. This is very important, and these PMIDs are there. All these are the references which are there in our .bib file. I will click this PMID first. Okay, this is one, and this is citation with single paper. In the second example, I will cite 2 or 3 citations together, and it's very easy. Cite, just you have to type, and your references are there. When you take your cursor on the reference and click that, the all information about that bib id will be open. This is for the bib id, that Phala, TJ, Chopra, I are authors, title that is journal is microbiology, and like that. Therefore I will now use the second one here, and then again I will click give comma, and then select next one. Again I will put comma, and will select next one. If I want to select for 4, it's very easy to go for that. I'll select that. Okay, that's it. We have cited 3 here, and we will look how it appears. Okay. And at the end, our reference bibliography list is not there. At the end, bibliography is there. We'll compile it. It's showing there error that I'm skipping. Bib style is wrong here. ABBRV shall be the spelling. We'll click it, and now reference list is there. Okay. Now here we will see, okay, references are included, citations are included. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.